Hello guys, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies, FTS for short. Here I create videos on how you can trade the forex and synthetic indices, which are the boom and crash, the step index, the volatilities and all of that. So I'm going to teach you how you do that right here in this video. So basically the topic for this video is how you can trade and scalp boom and crash successfully. So we'll be going to our charts now and I'll be explaining all of that to you. Okay, so pardon my setup. This is quite different from yours, so don't feel intimidated. Don't say this is ridiculous. If you have your hands on this indicator, you can actually use it, but if you don't have it, whichever indicator you are using, just understand the principle I'm going to explain and you'll be fine with your trading. Okay, so if you need to contact me for anything, for questions and all of that, you can check the description section of this video or of any of my videos. You will see my phone number there. You can just hit me up on WhatsApp or you can message me through email and all of that. So I'll go ahead and dock this so that we can have a clearer view of it. So dock, that will just maximize the screen. Awesome, we are good to go. So how are we going to trade the boom and crash successfully? Now, using my own setup as an example, I have the crusher indicator right here before me, or some people call it the Scalper Pro, whichever one. Okay, so others call it spike detector, but I don't call it spike detector in the case for the sole reason that it doesn't detect a spike outright. Because if you are using a small capital and you want to trade spike with this, it might not be very favorable. But this indicator signifies before a spike happen. Okay, you can see the price action right here. The arrow is out already. Okay, you can see that the arrow is out because the price action is almost at the support level. Okay, it's almost at the support level, so this might trigger it back. You will see that whenever the price action is near the support level, you can see this is the former support level. When it came down near it, it went back. It came down near it again, it went back. Okay, and it came down here again. You can see that it respected it. Even on this arrow, it went up. Okay, so ever since then we try to respect it. You can see that right here it came down. This is the same support level that the market is consolidating. Okay, it went back up, so it broke it here. So now it came here, but right now the arrow is out right here. Okay, that's like a kind of warning for you. So if you're in the market and the arrow is out in this manner, then it's time for you to leave the market. These are 5 minutes candle. I'm using the 5-minute time frame here. You can see M5 and this is boom 500. So you can see the arrow is out before the spike happened. Okay, the spike has not happened at all, but this is an arrow warning you that this is a region where a spike can happen. Okay, so if you're in the market in this kind of situation, you close your trade. Okay, you wait for it to break the resistance, the support level, before you go back into your market. Okay, now let's head into how we can trade successfully. First thing I want you to do is check your day one candle. Okay, now the video I made previously before this right here, check it out, how to analyze in day one time frame and trade in the lesser time frame. Okay, I think that's what the title is, and trade profitably. Okay, if you check it out, you will see how I analyze in day one time frame. Okay, after I've gotten my analysis and I check the market trend in day one time frame, then I will be sure of the kind of trade I'm going to have for the rest of the day. Let's say I check the boom 500 in the morning or whichever time I want to start my trading for the day, and I could see that it's going on a downtrend, that the candle for the day one is going on a downtrend. Then I know that I can take long trade. Okay, I can take 10-15 minutes trade in that kind of situation. So let's head back to our chart right here. So using this as example, let's say this arrow is out now. Okay, let me explain the setup for us. Okay, let's see, as it spiked. Okay, it's still there. Let me use this setup. Let me explain the setup for us. This indicator right here, you can use it to trade effectively. Okay, it has just two components, or let's say two components. We have the arrow and we have this chart right here, this histogram. First thing you need to know is whenever you see the red, it shows the market is on downtrend, and whenever you see the red, it shows the market is on uptrend, and whenever you see the green, it shows the market is on downtrend. For example, let's check it out here. let's bring out this and mark it out. You can see from this area here where there is green down here, let's mark it up to this area, okay, before it's accepted that okay, this is going on an uptrend. So let's say from this area to this area that we have our deep downtrend. Let's say you've checked your day one candle and you see that the market is going on a downtrend for the whole day, okay, you can be in the market for as long as this. That is how many bars? That is 24 bars. 24 bars of 5 minutes candle. That's let's check it out. 24 times 5. That is 125. Okay, 125. That is 60 to 120. So that is about 2 hours. Okay, no need to go to our calculator anymore. That's about 2 hours of downtrend. Now, I'm not saying you should be in the market for 2 hours because you've checked that the market is on downtrend for the day one time for the day one candle plan. What I'm trying to say is you can take long trade like 15 minutes, 20 minutes maximum, okay, but it's still good for you to keep your trading pattern. If your trading pattern is scalping for 5 minutes or scalping for 4 minutes, but if you see that the day one time frame is a bit favorable, then you can go for longer trade so that you can make some money for yourself. But do not be too greedy with it, okay? Not all trade is going to go for that long, even on that day. So you can see right here that the market went up. So once you adopt the trend earlier, once the downtrend, okay, this green arrow here signifies downtrend, and this green histogram right here also signifies downtrend. The red arrow here signifies a spike, which is for uptrend, and while the red chart here signifies an uptrend. So we have the deep red and the bright red. The bright red is the uptrend, okay. The deep red is like it's testing it, okay, maybe it's consolidating around that area. So the bright red is what you follow. We also have the deep green, okay. You can see this middle right here has a deep green. The deep green is not a confirmation of downtrend, okay, it's the bright green. Once the arrow is out and you have the bright green in your chart, in your histogram here, then you enter the market. Once you enter the market, if you are scalping for 5 minutes, you take your 5 minutes candle, okay. I don't use this in 1 minute time frame because it's not too accurate in the 1 minute time frame according to my research so far. So I use it in the higher time frame like the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. So the arrow is out, the green arrow is out, and you have the bright green histogram here. Then what do? You enter for a scalp, okay. This is boom 500, and we trade it when it's going on a downtrend, okay. The normal conventional movement for the boom is it go on a downtrend and it booms up, it spike like its name implies. So that is how that is how the market of the boom works. And if you are trading it, you are going to follow that pattern also, okay. So let's say you enter the market around this section right here. When the arrow is out, let's say okay, you didn't enter immediately, you waited for some confirmation or thereabouts. You enter on the second candle, okay. On the third or fourth candle, that's about a fourth bars, right? That's about 20 minutes, okay. If you scalp that 20 minutes, it's enough for you, okay. If you are greedy and you're thinking the trend is going to go for long and you scalp, you quit, you scalp, you quit, you scalp, you quit, there's no how it's not going to catch you at this point. And if it should catch you at this point, that it take you up to this level, you can see that ever since then it has not gotten to that level. You can see right on this level, okay. Just now that it's hitting the level, okay, it's about to hit the level. This will keep you waiting for a long time, if not for almost a day, okay. You can see that the spike has happened right now, okay. This is a spike, and the arrow has been there warning us that the spike is going to happen. And as we all know, it's a support level, so it has obeyed it and a spike has happened. So we don't know if the spike is going to continue or it's going to come back again, okay. But if you have followed the arrow and you've exited the market, you would have save yourself the time to wait and the uncertainty you're facing until the market return to its original position, okay. So it is very, very important you follow this kind of trading pattern. It is very, very important. Now, that being said, if you want to get your hands on this indicator, for those of you that have it already, try to put this pattern into it. But for those of you using another indicator, check your day one time frame, okay. You don't have to panic, okay. Check your day one time frame and see where it is going, and try to apply your trading techniques, your trading strategy, your daily target, and all of that, okay. Make it realistic so that you can break your record and step up a bit, okay. You grow at your own pace, okay. There's no easy money to make out here, okay, and it won't be nice for you to keep losing your capital. This is not a game, okay. This is real, Now thank you guys for hanging on to the end of this video. I hope I see you in the next one. I remain Forex Trading Strategist. If you have any question regarding this indicator, if you have any question regarding the strategy, if you have any question whatsoever regarding the trading, feel free to contact me, and do not forget to subscribe. It is very, very important so that you can get other videos regarding how you can trade and make money for yourself. Thank you guys, and bye for now.